This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Clean and iron the organza so fibers lie flat, and stretch it taut on a hoop or frame to prevent puckering. Next, mix silk paint with a small amount of silk binder, about 1/2 teaspoon, to improve adhesion. Test this mix on a scrap to confirm color and flow. Once the test looks right, transfer the paint to fine brushes or an applicator bottle and position your stencil or pattern so you can paint confidently without hesitation. You now control the paint. Choose brush types for the effect, fine sable for outlines, flat brushes for washes, and keep strokes light to avoid saturation. Apply thin layers and allow about 3 to 5 minutes drying between passes so color builds without bleeding. If you need crisp edges, use a resist or masking technique, and when color pools, blot gently with absorbent paper to lift excess. This prevents staining. Once sections are stable, blend wet edges with a clean, damp brush for soft transitions. Once done, set the paint. Let the piece air for a few hours, then heat set with steam from a low iron or a dry iron through a pressing cloth to cure the silk paint. Make sure to wait about 24 hours for complete bonding before washing. When washing, use cool water and mild detergent. If bleeding or feathering appears, stop, blot the area to remove excess pigment, re-stretch the fabric, and apply a thin layer of binder or light starch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.